and of course in cooperation with Astronaut Isaac Q. Daters and
Kaya naman
Christine
yung
all
mga
troop to
jacket
Roswell
yan.
Center for a night of romantic dates and cool entertainment during UP EchoSoft's Astronaut Dating Marathon. This is the event that truly captures what Astronaut stands for as the only mouthwash then in the market that gives long-lasting fresh breath to anyone who uses it.
Pinagsunan sa atin mo? Bakit?
Looking for your perfect match alone may sometimes be tough, but how about doing it with your barkada? Isaac University of the Philippines, Diliman, and Astronaut bring you Fresh Impressions, the ultimate barkada street dating marathon here at Bedlin at the Mall of Asia. What sets our event apart from others is that we are building around the concept of barkada. Free dating on your own is still but safe.
Kanta ka na nga.
Excited.
Kanta, ganda-ganda ng kilay mo. Ay, sige, isa pa. Tang bayan ko, tang ikaw, Pilipinas kung mahal. O, ikaw naman.
No pretension. Well, we're looking forward
Kanta.
to this very great concept. It's successful concept.
Kanta na.
We're looking forward to sharing out this
Sige na, kanta, kanta.
thing that we've never heard of
Kanta.
before.
Dito. Ang bayan kong tang ikaw, Pilipinas kung mahal.
People were thrilled to see Cosmo.
O kaya,
Paro on the ramp.
nalilipad-lipad sa gitna ng daan. Kanta! Pagpagpag. Sundang galantay. Hindi ko na alam ang lyrics. Ang ganda ng boses mo ah. Aruy, tinitignan niya. Oh.